So, hey guys, it's AB here from AB's Tech, and today we are going to be unboxing an Xbox One S that was given to me by the Crusade Nation. I will leave their channel in the top right hand corner. Thank you guys so much. I know them over there, Matthew and Michael. Wonderful, wonderful people. Gave me this Xbox One S, and I'm super into Microsoft, so I'm super into trying out the Xbox ecosystem as much as I am a Nintendo Switch guy. We were actually unboxing, and then I had to pause the recording, so I cut the tape on that side. Oh, there's only tape on one side. Okay, well, I cut the tape on the side, so you can see unboxing, cutting, opening part. Oh, there's tape on the top. Never mind. You guys didn't miss anything. This tape on the top. And tape on the top that I can use to unbox. It says, welcome to the ultimate games and 4K entertainment system, the Xbox One S. Inside of the Xbox One S box, I don't know how to get this open. Oh, okay. It comes out like that. And inside we get accessories pack. Kind of true to the Microsoft's design. We get the really short power cable. This is the partial Mickey Mouse cable. We get HDMI cable. Always handy, always good to have HDMI cables. This one is 4K compliant. We get, oh, they include batteries. A non-rechargeable Xbox battery pack with other power packs and everything else. And inside we got batteries for the controller. It goes in like this. And if they're watching this video and they're cringing at how terrible I am at doing Xbox things, yes, I am pretty brutal at the Xbox things. That is the wrong side. We're off to a roaring start. And we have Xbox controller. This will also be really nice for playing PC-based games. I think these all have Bluetooth now, but I'm not too sure off the top of my head. I don't know if you still need the adapters. I think the Elite needs them, but I think the other controllers need the Xbox wireless adapter. Here is a piece of plastic. Oh, these are just some access codes for EA stuff, and Xbox Live is in the bottom here. So here is the Xbox. Wow, this thing is chunky. It's a big old brick. A big old brick. Not bad though. Better than the original Xbox. I remember people joking about how it looked like a VCR. This guy looks really nice in the Xbox One S. It's a really nice console for the price. Well, compared to others in the Xbox Series. So we have HDMI in, HDMI out, 2 super speed ports, a SPDIF port, IR out, and Ethernet with a Blu-ray DVD drive and sync buttons on the front. So that is my Xbox One S unboxing video. And thank you for joining me today. Bye-bye.